Now here for close round 10, after the last cable stitch, make last 2 chain, 1, 2, then slip stitch top of first front post double crochet here, top of this front post double crochet, and round 10 finish. Round 11, chain 1 just for a start, a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet here, then here into this round I want to make this spirals here, this, so 16 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now here from the second chain from this hook, 1, 2 here, 1, 2, I have to make 3 single crochet in each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 3 single crochet into next, 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 1, 2, 3. I have to make 45 single crochet here in each chain. I have to make 3 single crochet. I start from second chain, so I got 15 chain here, and so 45 single crochet. So 3 single crochet into next, 1, 2, and 3. Continue here, and I come back here to show you. Now here after 45 single crochet, I have to make it tidy like this. Okay, it look like this. Then after the last 3 single crochet, I have to make a slip stitch top of first front post double crochet here, a slip stitch. So now 2 chain, 1, 2, and here around this double crochet here I marked before, here around this double crochet I have to make 7 double crochet plus 2 chain. So I remove this stitch marker. Okay, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1, 2, another double crochet, 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, another double crochet, 3, 1, 2, another double crochet, 4, 1, 2, another double crochet, 5, then 1, 2, another double crochet, 6, now 2 chain and another double crochet, totally 7 double crochet here, seven double crochet plus 2 chain, and after the last double crochet here, 2 chain, 1, 2, a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet here. Now make another spiral like this. Okay, 16 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now here, from the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, make 3 single crochet in each chain, 1, 2, 3. Okay, continue here, and I come back here. Okay, after 45 single crochet, I made 3 single crochet in each chain, so like this. A slip stitch top of this front post double crochet I made here into this 2 loops, then 2 chain, 1, 2. Now here for front post double crochet, cable stitch, skip 2 first, skip this 2, around the third one, and another one around the next. Then I have to work around this 2 here I skipped, one around this one, and the other one around the second one here. Another cable stitch here, skip 2 first, 1, 2, 3, okay, the other one around the next, and 2 front post double crochet around this 2 here, another one around the second front post double crochet here, 2 chain, 1, 2. Now just repeat the pattern one more time. I want to repeat the pattern here. 1 front post double crochet around this front post double crochet here. Now 16 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now from the second chain, 1, 2, from this one I have to make 3 single crochet in each chain, 1, 2, 3, 3 single crochet into next, 1, 2, 3 single crochet in 2 next, 1, 2, 3, and continue to here, 3 single crochet in each chain. I come back here. Now here like this, make a slip stitch top of this front post double crochet into these 2 loops here, slip stitch, 2 chain, 1, 2, now here into this double crochet, make 7 double crochet plus 2 chain, 1, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2, now 2 chain, 1, 2, 3, now 2 chain, 1, 2, 4, now 2 chain, 1, 2, 5, now 2 chain, 1, 2, 6, 2 chain, 1, 2, and another double crochet, 7 double crochet here in the same place, then last 2 chain, 1, 2, and here is like this, okay. Now here make a front post double crochet around this front post double crochet and make another spiral here. I have to make 16 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, from the second, 1, 2, make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3 here, and continue here. Okay, in this pattern you can remove this spiral even and don't crochet this spiral and just make front post double crochet and continue this round, but I really like this pattern here. Okay, I come back here. Okay, after this spiral I have to make a slip stitch here, then 2 chain, 1, 2 here for front post double crochet, cable stitch, skip this 2, 1, 2 around the third one, here make a front post double crochet, another front post double crochet around the next, then front post double crochet around this 2 around the first one, here 1 and the other one around next, find it carefully, and 2, skip here, make another cable stitch here, skip this 2 first, 1, 2, and 3 here, 1, another one around next 2, now here 2 front post double crochet here, 1 here, 1, the other one around next. Okay, just find it carefully, and 2, then 2 chain, 1, 2, and the front post double crochet around this front post double crochet, and repeat the pattern. This is that double crochet I have to work around. Okay, I have to make a spiral here. Okay, continue this round, and I come back here to close this round. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 2 chain.